Hi, this is an AI doctor. It can be your family doctor. You can keep all the medical records, prescriptions, and your patient history of your entire family in this doctor. Okay, and then you can use this doctor to consult the problems that you have on a daily basis for your family, for yourself. Let me show you how. I say, I feel neck pain today. So what it will do while you're chatting, it will keep your patient history records here. Look, so now I am chatting here, so it is saying that I told it that I have pain in my neck, and it kept a record here that I have a pain in my neck, and then it also checked my history, and it saw that I have a history of weak back and neck muscles, and I have a cracking sound issue in my neck, which is true, and it pulled the data from my checkup history and added here as a diagnosis first. So, so it's saying, do you have experienced any changes in your activity levels portion? This might be important. Yes, my chair isn't really supportive. Okay, so I told him that my chair isn't really supportive. That's why I think I'm having the pain, and it will now check up again my history and update the patient history as well with new information. And if it'll do if it feels that the information is really crucial. So to manage your neck pain effectively, consider adjusting sitting posture using a more supportive chair. Additionally, simple neck exercises, applying heat. Have you tried these methods? I can't change my chair, but I do stretches and exercise daily. Let's see how it updates this one. So it has added more information that my chair lacks support. I do exercise. So since you mentioned regular stretches, it seems you're taking steps to have you noticed this exercise improve. So it is diagnosing my issue. Yeah, it really helps. So now, right now, you can see that it is recording my current state. That right now I am experiencing these things. Okay, so what if I tell this doctor that I am facing, had a history of something? As a matter of fact, it is not currently that is happening, but I had a history somewhere in my childhood. So let's see what it does then. What in what format it stores this information. By the way, I'm starting a new chat over here, and let's see if it remembers my problem or not. I feel uncomfortable my neck region. So let's see if it can access this information or not. So I can use this software for my children, for my wife, for my parents as well. If I can keep a checkup history record over here, and for example, let me just show you that I have kept a patient history over here. So it's a dummy data, and based on the dummy data, it can. So now look, it's saying, have you been using computer or sitting long periods of time? And it knows that I have a computer because I'm sitting on a chair, I'm using a laptop, and and it is giving me personalized answers. So let me just tell this bot a new information which is not related to this thing, that in my childhood my food pipe wasn't naturally fit and caused reflex issue. So I have given it a statement which is not currently my problem. It had been my problem in the past. So let's see how it stores this information. So look at over here. It categorizes in a very nice category of physiological condition. Childhood issue with food pipe not naturally fit. So now consider a situation that after some time in the future, after 2 months or 3 months, I say, hey, I'm having digestion issue, that whenever I eat something like noodles, I feel reflux. So let's see how it analyzes this information that I have mentioned that I have a history of reflux in my childhood, and let's see how it diagnoses the problem. So now it will create a history over here, a new history, patient history. No, just when I eat noodles or ice cream. So since it's doing a lot of things here, it is checking my history and also updating it side by side. Uh, it takes time. It takes time. So here you can see that now it is recording the current state. So whenever I talk about my recent problem, it will record it as a current state with a date. So it will know that in your history at what time you felt what. Okay. So it knows that I have written here that I have a gallbladder removal, and there's an issue with the food pipe as well. So it is now diagnosing the issues. It is very razor sharp, pinpoint, accurate on what kind of problem is related to what kind of issue in the past, and it then goes on analyzing it. So this is a very helpful tool that is an output of that's the fruit of AI.